Colorado curfew laws. Curfew laws in Colorado come from both state and local laws. What is the Colorado curfew law? Colorado has a statewide curfew for teen drivers. The law applies to drivers under the age of 20 years. Once a teen obtains a driver's license, the state curfew law limits the hours the teen can drive. For the first year, the teen may not operate an automobile between midnight and 5 a.m. with some exceptions. Those exceptions include: the teen is accompanied by a parent, legal guardian, or driving instructor. The driver is accompanied by an adult 21 or older who has a valid driver's license for more than 1 year. The teen has to drive between 12 a.m. and 5 a.m. due to a medical emergency. School. A school activity or work requires the teen to drive during the curfew hours, and the teen has a signed statement from the school or employer. The driver is an emancipated minor. This Colorado teen driving curfew law exists to reduce the risk of teen driving accidents. According to the Colorado Department of Transportation, teens are among the highest risk drivers for car accidents. Teens who break the driving curfew law are subject to traffic infractions. Other curfew laws in Colorado. Municipalities in Colorado have legal authority to enact curfew laws that apply within the city limits. Some Colorado cities have additional teen curfews beyond the state driving curfew. Teens are not the only Colorado residents who may become subject to citywide curfews. City governments have the authority to declare city curfew ordinances for public safety. You should be aware of any city curfew laws in force in the city where you live and where your family may be. How could a curfew law affect my car accident claim? If you or a teen driver in your home breaks a curfew at the time of a car accident, it could complicate or harm a collision claim. A defendant or insurance adjuster may argue that the teen driver shares some liability for the collision. That can delay resolution of a claim or even result in losing some or all compensation on your case. In Colorado, most car accident and other personal injury claims rely on negligence as the legal reason one person is responsible for an injury to another. Comparative negligence and negligence per se. A defendant could also argue violating the curfew law is itself a negligent act that supports a defense of comparative negligence. Under Colorado personal injury law, a defendant can argue another person is partially at fault for their own injuries. In Colorado, breaking a traffic law can be negligence per se. Negligence per se means it is a negligent act because the state decided the curfew statute is the standard for drivers of that age and experience. Talk to an experienced Denver attorney. If you get into a car accident in Colorado and the other driver violates curfew, the teen may be at fault for your injuries and related damages. You should talk to a Denver personal injury attorney right away about your case.